The day the empath snaps is never the day you think. It is not sudden rage, not hysteria, not losing control. It is something far colder, an inner tectonic shift in the psyche, when a soul that has carried everyone else's pain finally collapses under the weight of its own repression. In my work, the most terrifying cases were not those who shouted, they were those who smiled too long. The empath lives as a vessel, an archetype of silent endurance, absorbing moods, softening conflicts, translating cruelty into excuses so others can sleep at night. But what is not expressed does not disappear. It sinks, it thickens, it becomes shadow, and the shadow is patient. It waits